Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to write Python script for ping network devices automatically daily in particular time period. So friends, you can see these are my network devices here, okay, and you can see it's a ping result. It's output from the Python script here. We created a script and we ran a script here, okay. So now after run script, it's a output from the it's a ping result output here, okay. We device which is not reachable, it's showing down here, okay. In red, it's marked as red and it's showing down here, okay. So friends, let me show you how to create a script here, okay. Let me show you how to create a script. Here is the steps here, okay. So Python script to ping network device daily automatically, okay. Install Python script on window. I have already installed Python script. Install netmiko, okay. I've already installed. So we have to create a CSV file for device IP address and hostname. So let me show you here my CSV file for IP address and hostname here, okay. You can see IP address and hostname. With the help of this file, Python script will fetch this list from the CSV file and start pinging, okay. After ping, it will share result in Excel file here, okay. You can see, and the device which show down, it will be mark here down and red, okay. So let me start here. Third step, you can see we have done, and then now Python script. Let me show you the Python script I have already created here, okay. So you can see import subprocess, import CSV file to import CSV for the IP address of the device, import platform, okay. Import platform like OS name, okay. From OpenExcel, import workbook, okay. So OpenExcel for Excel file to output, okay, for output here. So OpenExcel is styles, import pattern fields. Pattern fields means for the, if device is down, then it will be color as red, okay. So you can see define ping device IP address. So where is get IP address from? CSV file, okay. OS name platform system, OS name Windows, okay. From where we are pinging from Windows machine, okay. So you can see import platform, from which device we are pinging, Windows or Linux or Mac. So you can see I'm pinging from Windows. So this is a command for the Windows. If other device, then command will be this, okay. Try result subprocess, okay. Ping output result dot std out, okay. If return code 0, it will be show up, otherwise else will be down, okay. Latency na will be latency na. If it is showing up, then latency will be show there, okay. Then define read device from CSV, okay. You can see here it is read device IP address, all the thing from the CSV device, okay. Device, what device? So device will be for row in reader, okay. From the CSV row, it will get IP address and host name, okay. It will take host name from the row. If IP, so you can see define main input CSV file is a CSV file path here, okay. You can see it's a CSV file path, input ping input path here, okay. For output SLX path here, you can see for the output device, okay. Path here, ping output, okay. Ping output. Now device, read device from the CSV input CSV. Where is read? From the input CSV. If not device, then no device found in the CSV file, okay. Now Excel workbook here, mention here, ping result will be output in the Excel workbook, okay. What will be there? IP address, host name, status and average latency. So you can see cell color red fill, pattern fills red, okay. For the device, in device IP, device IP address, host name, okay. what will be print pinging IP. Okay, it will show here pinging IP. If device is down, mark as red. Okay, if status down, for color red here. Okay, red fill here. Okay, let's run this script and see. Let me add another device which is not there. Okay, 1.1.155 250. It is not here and there. Okay, so let's see what will be show here. Okay, just save it. Now run this script, run module. So you can see start pinging. So you can see we have added this device. It is not there. Okay, it is not here. Okay, so it's showing down here. So let me check my output, ping output file here. So friends, you can see the device which is down, it's showing red here. Okay, so you can see we have created Python script. Now friends, what will we do? We will create batch file to run this Python script. Okay, let's create batch file here. Just open notepad, echo of echo of Python. Now Python script path here. Okay, we have to provide Python script path. Then Python file name, ping network devices.py Python extension. Now here exit. Now click on file and click on save as, all document, all file. Okay, device ping.bat. Make sure extension should be .bat. Okay, now click on save. So you can see, let's delete this one, device.ping. Okay, just click here to check if it is working. Oh, you can see it's working here. Okay, now friends, we can schedule it for like every 1 hour, every half an hour it will start pinging the device. Okay, to check reachability. Okay, so let me show you how to. So for this, let me go to the task scheduler. Click here, create task. Okay, ping network device. Okay, task every 5 minutes. Okay, so description no, run. Trigger, we'll start trigger here. One time, daily, weekly, monthly. So one time. Okay, we'll repeat every 5 minutes. Okay, we can check every 5 minutes it will repeat here, or 10 minutes, 15, 1 hour. Okay, we can check every 1 hour. Now you can see here is a here my system time is 2 am. Okay, so I will select here 2505 2 am. It will start at 2:05 am. Okay, 30 seconds. So let me click OK. Now OK. Then action, what action will be? It will start a program. Okay, what program? Let me select here batch file, ping device ping. Okay, this batch file. Now click on OK. Condition, leave it as it is. Okay, now friend, we have created task. Let's check here. Network device ping, it will be start at 2:05 am. Okay, so let's wait for 2:05 am. So output, let me delete this. Okay, save. Now friend, let's wait for 2:05 am. Okay, now it's 4 here. Now friends, you can see 2:05 am is there. It will start at 2:05, 30 seconds. Okay, let's wait for that. So now you can see it's started here. It started pinging. Okay, let me check output file. So now you can see it is here. Okay, So let me do one thing, friends. Okay, let me shut down this device. Okay, 104 and 10203. Let me stop this. Okay, I have stopped. Then again run the script. It will be overwrite here. Okay, then again run this script. 201 down, 203 down. Okay, now check output. Okay, so you can see this device is showing all down here. Okay, this device showing down now. 203 showing down. 104 also showing down. So friends, you can see our script is working successfully. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.